Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I've mentioned quite a few times about the course that I'm setting up to help you get started in motor racing as cheaply as possible. But there's actually another program out there that can help U.S. veterans do that right now. It's called Warriors to Racers. Warriors to Racers not only can get U.S. veterans into the pit to work on the crew, either in the paddock or over the wall, but also to get into the cockpit. So if you're a U.S. veteran and you want to get involved with motorsport, go to Warriors 2 Racers, that's number 2, Warriors, number 2, Racers.org, and find out more about what's available to you to get you started in motorsport. They can help you go from sim racing, no real experience, to wheel-to-wheel racing. So make sure you go to warriors2racers.org and check it out. See you on the track.